All right, how many eggs do you think there is today? Let's go have a look. Here he comes. He's just realised I've walked in the gate without him knowing. All right, let's check for some eggs. Oh my gosh! Oh wow, 5! He's trying to sneak up on me. I'm currently keeping an eye on the rooster. Oh. Look, there's another little one. Oh my goodness, so cute. Where'd he go? Oh no, he's up there. Okay. Anyway, oh my goodness, another little one. So 5. How awesome is that so far? Oh, that one's a bit nasty. Yay, so 5 eggs today. Look at this new rooster. He is gorgeous. So beautiful. So we have 16 eggs in the incubator for hatching. So they'll be hatching in 21 days. But don't forget to subscribe to our Homestead Australia for more videos.